everyone! Welcome back to Town Press, where we make learning fun for little kids and big kids. Today, we begin with the second lesson on tracing, writing, and coloring the letter B. Here is the capital letter B. Wait a minute, where are you? Small letter B? I see you. Now come out and say hi to everyone. Thank you, small b. Now where was I? Yes, the letter B. The letter B is the second letter in the alphabet. So grab some paper, pencils, crayons, or markers, and let's get started. We are working off the second page in the workbook series, ABC 1, 2, 3, for kids ages 3 to 4, Book 1, the letter B. If you don't have the book and want to follow the demonstration, there is a link to download a copy of page 2 in the description below. We'll start with the capital letter B. You need to make 3 strokes, and we'll break it down step by step. But first, let's look at an example of how to draw a particular curved line for the letter B. Do you still remember how to write the small letter A from lesson 1? To write the small letter A, we began with a curved line and connected it with a standing line. And now, to write the letter B, we do the opposite. We start with a standing line, a tall standing line from top to bottom, and connect it with a curved line going this way, not that way like the small letter A, and looping around like this. Got it? Okay, let's return to the demonstration on writing the capital letter B. First, find where the little star is. Put your pencil on the line right underneath, on the top line, and make a tall standing line from top to bottom. From top to bottom, make sure it's nice and straight. Now, we start tracing the second line. The second line is curved. We loop the curved line from the top line to the center line, from top to center, like this. For the third line, we loop this curved line from the center to the bottom line, from center to bottom, just like this. Easy. Now, it's your turn. Get your paper and pencil ready, and let's practice together. Start where the capital letter B is, the second one on the first line. Locate the little star, put your pencil underneath, on the line, and begin tracing the letter. Remember, first standing line, top to bottom, second curved line, top to center, third curved line, center to the bottom line, and connect it to the standing line. Great job! Let's do another one. Wonderful! Let's do another one. Look at this. There is only a little star and no B for us to trace. Do you remember what we did in lesson 1? We'll write the B on the line underneath where the star is like we did before. Remember, the first standing line, top to bottom, the second curved line, top to center, and the third curved line, center to bottom, and connecting the standing line. Great job! Let's do another one. Wonderful! The letter B. Bear. Bear. Does everyone have fun so far? We just finished tracing and writing 4 capital letters B. Let's come to the second line and do a few more. Look, what do we have here? There are no more little stars. That's okay. We know how to write the capital B by now. Let's write 4 more B's to fill out the line. Great job, everyone! Look, what do we have on the third line? The small letter B. Let's learn to write the small letter B. Here, this is the small letter B. To write it, you need to make 2 simple strokes. We'll break it down step by step. Like before, we find the little star, put the tip of the pencil on the top line, and draw a standing line from top to bottom. Now, we are going to trace the second line. Do you remember the demonstration? The small b has only 1 curved line, and it begins at the center line, and that's why we call it a small b. Let's loop a small curved line from center to bottom, touching the standing line. Make sure the curved line begins at the center line. Now it's your turn. Get your paper and pencil ready. Remember, a tall standing line from top to bottom, and then connect it with a curved line from center to bottom. Let's do it together. We begin by tracing the small letter B over here. Find the little star, put your pencil tip on the top line, make a standing line from top to bottom, and connect it with a curved line. Good job! Let's do it again. Find the little star, put your pencil tip on the top line, make a standing line from top to bottom, and connect it with a curved line. What do we have here? We will write the small b on our own with no tracing. Can you write it? Of course you can. Let's write it. Remember, put your pencil tip on the top line, make a standing line, and connect it with a curved line, just like that. Write it one more time. The letter B. Baby. Baby. Does everyone have fun so far? Look, there are more B's down here in the fourth line. Can we write 5 more? I bet you can. Let's do it. Wow, look at all the B's we traced and wrote. Great job, everyone. Everyone. Let's look at the capital letter B and the small letter b down here. Do you still remember how to write the capital letter B? First standing line, top to bottom. Second curved line, top to center. The third curved line, center to bottom. And the small letter b? First, a standing line, and then connect it with a curved line. Very good. I am glad you remember. Let's trace the capital letter B and the small letter b together. First, the capital letter B, first standing line, top to bottom, second curved line, top to center, and finish the letter with another curved line from center to bottom. Then, the small letter b, a standing line, and then connect it with a curved line. Let's trace another one, okay? Very good. Now there's space here. What do we do when seeing a large open area on the line? We fill them with letter B's. Let's write them here together. Write one more, and we'll finish the whole page. Wonderful! I hope you enjoy learning to write the letter B's. Before we leave, let's color the letter B up here. Let's color them blue. Great job, everyone.
Yahoo!
Wordplay. Bear. Baby. Baby bear. To recap, we can write the letter B in 2 ways. The capital letter B and the small letter b. Writing the capital letter B is as simple as a standing line from top to bottom, a curved line from top to center, and finishing the letter with a second curved line from center to bottom. Writing the small letter B begins with a standing line, followed by a curved line to close it off. Keep practicing whenever you can, and don't worry if it's not perfect. You can always try again and have fun. Thank you for joining us today. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more fun and educational content. If you have any requests or questions, leave them in the comments below. See you in the following video, where we'll explore more exciting ways to learn. Until next time, happy learning!